Question 1. Is law optional syllabus vast? Question 2. Out of the 6 subjects in law optional, which subject should I begin first? Constitutional law, contemporary legal developments or international law? Final question. How much time should I devote to all these subjects? For all these questions, we can find the answer in next 5 minutes. There are 6 subjects in UPSC Law Optional: Constitutional Law, International Law in Paper 1, Torts, Law of Crimes, Law of Contracts and Contemporary Legal Developments in Paper 2. In this, which subject we have to start first? Answer is simple. Subject you start first must satisfy 2 things. First, it should be the toughest subject. Second, more questions should come from that. Subjects in Paper 1, that is Constitutional Law, International Law, will satisfy these criteria because they form the 50% of the syllabus. 14 plus 14 questions will come from that. Totally 28 questions will come from it. So do not start any subject in Paper 2 as your first one, because it is either easy, you will spend a lot of time perfecting it. Another bad thing is more questions will not come from it. For example, only 5 questions are asked from contemporary legal developments, whereas 14 questions are asked from constitutional law. Since you understood that math, you should start the subject with either constitutional law or international law. Now let's finalize constitutional law, how to go about it. Okay. First, there are 16 topics in it, including administrative law. So in UPSC, one important thing you need to understand is time is a luxury. First 2 topics in constitutional law is actually a trap. You may get lost while you are trying to cover it actually. Take for example, the topic 1 is constitution and constitutionalism, right? So most students in their college days start the constitution with what? Preamble. And you would know like where to start, where to read and how to perfect it. But here, reality is most would not have heard the name constitutionalism. Now that you are starting your first step in your life, you will try to perfect it, right? First topic of UPSC Law Optional syllabus, you will be searching the websites, books, PDFs for getting more and more content. But constitutionalism topic, if you start, you will start the productive procrastination unknowingly. And sadly, this is the reason that you get demotivated to choose law as an option. Even if you complete the first topic, the second topic is the biggest trap, which is fundamental rights. For fundamental rights topic, you would feel that one should cover it comprehensively. Ambitiously, what you will do, you will pick the MP Jain book and start reading it from Article 12. Fact is, you cannot cover it this way because there are 500 pages for just this single topic of fundamental rights, which is not practically possible to read and cover. Even if you move ahead, you will be demotivated in just hours and days. This is where you will be needing a guidance to help you. The art of knowing where to read, how to read, where to stop, and many more insights you need. So we will be updating the videos on all these topics. Then, how do you prepare for the syllabus? Let's do this from constitutional law perspective. Fact is, you can filter the important areas of any topic from the previous year questions. For example, go through the past 25 years of UPSC Law Optional. For the first topic per se, you will understand that you should read only 4 areas. First one, the meaning and scope of constitutionalism. Next, rule of law, federalism, and finally secularism. For fundamental rights, they are asking Article 12, which is changing dimensions. Article 13, doctrine of severability, eclipse, and judicial review is crucial. Article 14, test of reasonableness, that is reasonable classification, arbitrariness, and EP Rayappa case is very, very important. Article 15-16, new trends such as EWS quota is important. Article 19, freedom of press is very, very crucial. Article 21, meaning of life and recent landmark cases, all those wordings you have to know. Point is, you study any topic by making a list of important subtopics which you get after analyzing previous year questions. Okay. Good thing is, you need not work on this because our experts have done it for you. Simply you download the PDFs which we have posted in our website and you can see the analysis. Another helpful thing is, from previous year questions is that it gets repeated as ditto questions or rephrased in another way, asking the same content. Now that we understood how to read each topic and every topic of UPSC Law Optional syllabus, we will move on with importance of the notes making. Actually, you have no choice here. You either make the short notes for preparation or you mess up things by rereading the books, which is in reality not at all practical because there is no time. After prelims, it will not have much time. Point is, you need short notes to revise just after the prelims and before the mains. If you refuse to make one, then you have to buy one. Conclusion is, if you don't have short notes, you have chosen the path of doom and no one can help you. Regarding Law Experts MD India notes, we have revision notes for every topic which will run from 5 to 7 pages invariably. Even if you are not a subscriber of Law Experts MB India, no problem, you can make your notes from the standard books. And how to make these notes, we will post a video separately. Final area is importance of answer writing is very crucial thing to be known, because knowledge and skill are something different. The skill of solving MCQs helps you to clear prelims exam. The skill of answer writing confirms your appearance before the interview members. So do take answer writing practice seriously and make sure you write many tests as possible. All the toppers you see in our website have taken minimum of 10 tests. Last finish up question. How much time should I devote covering all these syllabuses? Be a lawyer or a non-law student, literally anyone can complete law optional within 125 days. You can devote 30 days for constitutional law, same 30 for international law, 20 days for IPC, 15 days and 15 days for torts and contracts, and final 15 days for contemporary legal developments. Let's meet another time with more insightful contents. I'm Malti here and you are with Law Experts MB India.